Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will explain how to use the file full guide. Start by locating the file in your folder and checking its extension to choose the right app. If you cannot open a file, try a universal viewer or change the file association in settings. Always back up the original before editing to prevent data loss and keep versioned copies for easy recovery. Editing files can be simple and safe when you follow a few steady habits. Make a backup copy and work on the duplicate so the original stays intact. Choose an editor designed for the file type to avoid corrupting format or metadata. Save often and use incremental version names so you can return to earlier states without stress or data loss, keeping your workflow calm and predictable. Sharing files safely is about balance and a few practical choices. Compress large files to speed uploads and consider platform limits when sending attachments. Always review and adjust permissions so only intended recipients can access or modify files. For sensitive material use encryption or secure transfer services, and avoid public Wi-Fi without a VPN. These steps keep your data.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.